Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the break-in period for a chainsaw. The Husqvarna, I picked this one up yesterday. It's a 562 XP. Husqvarna recommends 6 to 10 fuel tanks for the break-in, and then Stihl recommends 3 to 5 tanks for the break-in. You get your maximum performance between 10 and 15 tanks, and yes, it is noticeable. Just take it easy on the saws. Don't be cutting anything too big. Today we're going to cut up some small poplars, and that should be enough for the break-in period, and after that we should be able to cut some larger things, which you will see on future videos. Make sure you stay tuned and hit the subscribe button down below. As you saw there, I dropped a small poplar, never got up past 3/4 throttle. Always just try and take it easy on your brand new saws. Again, for Stihl, 3 to 5 tanks through it before you can start really going to full throttle. And Husqvarna, they recommend 6 to 10. Either way, just take it easy on your new saws and they'll be running full throttle in no time. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. Please hit the like and subscribe button down below. Have a good day.